Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 network icon missing from taskbar. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all right click on a start menu and go to your task manager. After that scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is a Windows Explorer. Select it and click on restart. After that close it. After that I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, scroll down and find out a network adapter. Now here is a click on run it. After completing that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu, go to your device manager, go to your network adapter, select a network adapter which is used to connect your internet. Right click on a disable device, click yes to continue. After that once again right click and enable device. After that close it and restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.